Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome to another exciting gardening adventure. Want to turn your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil for your garden? Imagine transforming waste into something incredibly valuable for your plants. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of composting. Today, I'm going to show you how to make compost at home in just a few easy steps. It's simpler than you might think and incredibly rewarding. First things first, let's talk about why composting is awesome. It's not just about reducing waste. It's about creating a cycle of life in your garden. Not only does it reduce waste, but it also gives your garden that extra boost it needs to thrive. Plus, it's super eco-friendly. So let's get started. Your garden will thank you. To make compost, you need a good mix of green and brown materials. This balance is crucial for creating the perfect compost. Greens are things like fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings. These provide nitrogen, which is essential for the decomposition process. Browns are items like dry leaves, cardboard, and paper. They add carbon to the mix, which helps to feed the microorganisms that break down the compost. They add carbon to the mix. This carbon is vital for creating a balanced compost pile. The key is to balance these materials. Without the right balance, your compost might not break down properly. Aim for about a 50-50 ratio. This ensures that your compost has the right mix of nutrients. Now find a spot in your yard for your compost pile or bin. It's important to choose the right location for optimal composting. It should be a well-drained area that gets a bit of sunlight. Sunlight helps to speed up the composting process. Start with a layer of browns at the bottom. This helps to create a good base for your compost pile. Next, add a layer of greens. This layer will provide the necessary nitrogen for decomposition. Then, keep alternating layers of greens and browns. This layering technique ensures that your compost breaks down evenly. Remember to keep your compost moist, like a damp sponge. Moisture is key to the composting process. If it's too dry, add a bit of water. This helps to keep the microorganisms active. If it's too wet, add more browns. This helps to absorb excess moisture and keep the compost balanced. And every few weeks, give it a good turn with a pitchfork or shovel. Turning the compost helps to aerate it. This helps to aerate the pile and speed up the decomposition process. Aeration is crucial for a healthy compost pile. Composting can take anywhere from a few months to a year. Patience is key, but the results are worth it. But how do you know when it's ready? There are a few signs to look for. Finished compost is dark, crumbly, and smells earthy. It should look and feel like rich soil. When it looks like rich, dark soil, you're good to go. Your compost is ready to nourish your garden. Now let's talk about what not to compost. Some items can cause problems in your compost pile. Avoid adding meat, dairy, and oily foods. These can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. Also steer clear of diseased plants, pet waste, and weeds that have gone to seed. These can introduce pathogens and unwanted plants to your garden. These can create unpleasant odors and attract pests. Keeping these items out of your compost ensures a healthy, odor-free pile. Using your homemade compost is easy. It's a versatile addition to your gardening routine. Simply spread it on top of your garden beds, mix it into the soil, or use it as mulch. Each method has its own benefits. Your plants will thank you with healthier growth and bigger yields. Compost provides essential nutrients that help plants thrive. So there you have it. Making compost at home is simple, eco-friendly, and incredibly rewarding. It's a great way to give back to your garden. Making compost at home is simple, eco-friendly, and incredibly rewarding. Plus, it's a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and garden waste. You'll be amazed at how much waste you can divert from the landfill. Give it a try and watch your garden thrive. Your plants will love the nutrient boost. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy composting! Let's make the world a greener place, one compost pile at a time.